Hello all, welcome to the next video on Google Meet. In this video, I am going to show how we can schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. For that, first check whether you have Google Calendar in your phone. If not, install it from Play Store. Before starting the tutorial, let me show my Google Meet. Here you can see some upcoming meetings scheduled for today. The first meeting 12 IP starts from 11 am to 12:30 and next meeting starts at 1:30. I can join this class by just clicking on this icon and join the class. I'm going to leave this meeting. I have another class for standard 10 scheduled at 1:30. Even if I have scheduled it at 1:30, I can join this meeting at any time. I'm going to show how can we schedule such meetings in Google Calendar. First click on New Meeting. Instead of starting an instant meeting, click on Schedule in Google Calendar. Now Google Calendar will be opened in our phone. Give a name to our meeting. I am giving name as Standard 7 Science. Then select the Gmail account in which you are conducting the meeting. The next option is all day. If we are enabling this all day, it is not time restricted. We can conduct the meeting at any time on the selected day. I wish to set a time also, so I am disabling this. Then I have to select the day. I am scheduling it for 19th Wednesday. Then clicking on OK. Then we can set the time also. I wish to conduct the meeting from 11:30 am to 12:40 pm. Remember to select AM or PM, then click on OK. If we need to repeat the meeting on next week also, click on this does not repeat option and we can select every day, every week. Different options are here. I am clicking it on custom and we can select the days in which we want to repeat. I need this meeting on Wednesday and Saturday, so I am enabling these two options. Then click on done. So we can see here this meeting repeats weekly on Wednesday and Saturday. You can add participants during scheduling time. I am adding a participant to this meeting. Select the email address of the participant and a notification will be sent to our added participants about this meeting. This is optional. I am not adding participants to this meeting. Click on done button. In order to schedule this meeting in Google Meet, click on this add video conferencing. Then Google Meet will be enabled here. This meeting is in Google Meet. We can add a notification here. I am adding a notification 5 minutes before so that a notification will appear with a sound 5 minutes before the meeting. We can give a color to our meeting. I am giving the color as grape. After giving all the options, click on this save button. This is my calendar and you can see here the meeting scheduled by me for standard 7 science, which is on Wednesday and Saturday. When we click on this standard 7 science and open it, we can see the meeting details here. The meeting receives a meeting code when it is scheduled. Once this meeting link is given to the children, then there is no need to send the link every day. This meeting link can be used by the students every day. This will be very useful for students who receive their meeting link on their parents' phone. This is one of the advantages of scheduled meeting. We can schedule more meetings by clicking on this plus button of calendar and click on event and give the details of the meetings here. I have scheduled some meetings in my calendar. I will show you my calendar. This is my calendar. For viewing the month-wise calendar, click on this 3 bars. And we can view 3 days weekly or monthly calendar. In order to edit a particular meeting, click on the meeting and open it. Click on this edit button. The details of this meeting will be shown. Here I have enabled all day. It is not time restricted. I can conduct this meeting at any time on Thursday. And this meeting repeats on Thursday and Saturday. To make it weekly, I can select every week, so that this meeting will be repeated on Thursday every week. Click on the save button. select this and following events, click on save button. So the changes will be applied. Now I am going to open my Google Meet. On opening the Google Meet, I can view all the upcoming meetings. Meeting for today and tomorrow is shown here. I can join any of these meetings by clicking on its name and click on join button to start the meeting. Since the meeting link is available for the students, there is no need to share the meeting code. I am going to end this meeting. I can rejoin this meeting by clicking on this rejoin button. To join 11IP, click on that icon and click on this join button. Name of the meeting will be shown here. I am going to leave this meeting also. We can join a scheduled meeting which is not shown here from Google Calendar. Just go to Google Calendar, go to the month-wise view and open the required meeting and click on this join with Google Meet. That meeting will be opened and we can start this meeting by clicking on this join button. So scheduling a meeting is very useful for us, as we can see the list of upcoming meetings and we can join a particular class by just clicking the name of it. In order to delete an event, click on that event to be deleted and open it. Click on these three dots and click on this delete button. A message will be shown. If we want to delete the selected event, click this event. And if we want to delete all the upcoming meetings scheduled on Saturday, click on this and following events. And clicking on all events, delete all the events of Standard 7 Science. I want to delete the meetings of Standard Science on Saturday. So I am clicking this and following events and clicking on delete button. All the Standard 7 Science meetings scheduled for Saturday will be deleted. Hope you have understood how to schedule a meeting. Thank you.